Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing really great in your life and we are also good. So today I'm going to make you a very wonderful recipe which is my kids favorite, and whenever we go to the theater everybody loves to eat popcorns. So this is the healthiest and best way of making popcorns, and in this recipe I will show you that how you can make a popcorn in a very healthiest and very simplest way. This recipe is so simple, so whenever we want to watch movie at home, because now my husband is on dialysis and we are not able to go to the theater, so whenever we want to watch TV, whenever we want to watch movie on weekends, my kids always want to eat this popcorn actually. And the best part of this popcorn recipe is that you can cut the butter and spice portion according to your preference. So this is very simplest way, anyone can cook this recipe. And now we are going to start.